Okay, so we got a 2025 Ford Bronco here, and there's a couple of cool features on the truck I just wanted to show you guys in case you have one and you want to check it out. So I'm all set for this video. Got my Bronco shirt on. We got my Bronco over here. So one of the things I wanted to show you is that underneath the driver's side wheel well, there's an egg in here, and I'll show you what it says. So if you go underneath the driver's side, this is kind of funny that they did this at the factory. The driver's side wheel well, it says, "Lift me, baby." So this is the Big Ben version. I don't know if they did this on all the non-lifted Broncos, like that weren't, didn't have a lift from the factory, but that's pretty funny. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to show Steve this because he's been belly aching ever since I got this Bronco. I'm not gonna lift another truck with you. I'm sick of lifting trucks. So hey, Steve, Ford's telling us to lift this Bronco. We gotta lift it now. There's no getting out of it. Next video. So now we're at the back of the truck, and this is something that's kind of cool. Open up your tailgate, and down here, everybody's saying online that there's actually a cooler down here. So Brian, if you want to focus on here. Right here, there's a tray, and supposedly this is a cooler. You can pull the plug right here, and the ice will drain off onto the ground. And here's some insulation right here, and this kind of will help to keep your drinks cold in here. If you're off full wheel and then you want to put like some water and stuff in there, or juice or something. And the bonus feature, if you go around the other side of your roll bar, there's a bottle opener right here on the driver's side, so you can open up your drink right there. And then you're having a grill the whole time, you're tailgating and everything else. How can you not beat that? That's awesome. Well, I was actually ahead of my time, and before YouTube and before these iPhone cameras and all the other happy horse shit we have today, I had an '89 Bronco. It was a full-size Eddie Ballard Bronco, and any of you guys that are familiar with those, they had a big plastic console in the middle. So what I did, they had 4 bolts in them that went right through the body of the truck. So I took one of the bolts out, and I grabbed some silicone, and I siliconed the bottom of that plastic glove box between the front driver and passenger seat. I'd fill that thing up with ice and Coke and stuff like that. Then we'd hit the drive-in, and it would drain right onto the ground. So back then, I made a cooler out of that thing. It was awesome. I never had to clean it out. I cleaned it out with a garden hose to get anything out of there. It was a freaking blast. We had such a great time with that truck. I wish we had another one, but just a couple quick, cool features that Ford's got on this truck now, and I got to kind of laugh. But Steve, we're lifting the truck, so get ready, pal.